Well, I think the lighter turned out pretty good, except for one major thing. If you compare the two, it's so much easier to see the detail on the belt buckle, because wherever there's detail, there's background removal behind it, making sure that it's really easy to see. It stands out a lot. But if you look at the lighter, there's very little background removal, and the design itself is the border rather than the border being mostly made up of background removal. I think something I'm going to try is taking a flat, like a 0.2 millimeter flat, and running it around the outside next time, and I'm going to see if that gives it more of a standout look. Something else I changed up, if you were paying attention between, I mean, you'd have to be paying a lot of attention, between the belt buckle and the lighter, is that the shading is a little different. I don't know what to call them. These little shapes here, the way I shaded them in the belt buckle was very minimal, I guess. It's not entirely covered in shading, just at the very bottom of it, where it goes into the next detail of the engraving. That's the only spot I put any sort of shading. Whereas if you look at the lighter, I put shading almost entirely all the way down it, and I think next time I'm going to try and do a balance between the two, where I don't do it just at the bottom and I don't fill it up. I try to get in the middle, maybe make the lines a bit darker at the bottom too, so that I get more of a shading effect, because the lines are all pretty much the same size. But oh, and both sides of the lighter are different. So I would say on the front side is the side that has the hinge to the left. The shading is a bit lighter, and on the back side, the shading is a bit darker, and I was just kind of messing around, seeing which one I liked better. I do like the lighter side a little better, but I think I'm going to try to get it a bit darker at the bottom of the lines, just to give it, like I said, more of a natural tapered shading look. Something else I wanted to bring up, I think I hit over 600 subscribers. 500 is usually a milestone people go for, but I didn't catch it in time, so I'll just say 600. That's pretty cool that 600 people felt like I did good enough work that they wanted to see more of it. So thanks to everyone that subscribed to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. It's cool having an audience. I know in the beginning it was really awkward because I was making videos and I was just talking to no one, and at least now I have a small audience that I can talk to, so I'm not completely alone. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I like all the feedback too. A lot of people are very positive, very positive comments about what I do, which is great. It's nice. So yeah, we'll see how many I can get. I guess now we're just on the road to 1 million, so we only have 999,381 left to go. We're real close, guys. All right, I'm serious though. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Hope you liked the video.